Happy morning, students. I welcome to all today's session. Next week you are going to write monthly test. We have 3 lessons. Already we revised 2 lessons, metallurgy and solid state. Today we are going to revise third lesson, chemical kinetics, self-evaluation part. Let us now start. Self-evaluation parts, 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks. First question, define average rate and instantaneous rate. Average rate means it is the rate between the intervals of time. Instantaneous rate means it is a rate at a particular time. Average rate becomes instantaneous rate when delta equal to 0. Then second question, define rate and rate constant. So rate RA means A moles of A plus B moles of B gives us products. So rate is a directly proportional active moles of A x the power of x, then b the power of y. So rate, so directly proportional is called as a k, proportionality constant. So the concentration of A and concentration of B. So rate is given in terms of molar concentration of reactant raised to the power which may or may not equal to stoichiometric coefficient. It is called as a rate law. Then second one, rate constant. Rate constant is the same as rate of reaction when concentration all of the reactant is unity. This is a rate constant. Then third question, derive integrate rate law for zero order reaction. So zero order reaction, the A gives us product. So the A is a reactant, then B is a product. So A gives us product. At T, the concentration of reactant equal to A naught. At a time T, concentration of reactant left, so equal to concentration of A. Then next, rate equal to K, then concentration of A naught. So the what is the rate of the reaction? Minus dA by dt equal to K. So minus dA equal to K dt. Integrate between the limits of a0 at t equal to 0 and a at time t. So integrating between limits means, so minus a limits of a0 integrating dA equal to k integrating t dt. So minus a, the limits a naught equal to k t limits t 0. So a0 minus a equal to k. So k equal to a naught minus a divided by t. So it is a zero order reaction. Then fourth question, define off-life reaction. Show that first order reaction off-life is independent of initial concentration. Time required for the reactant concentration to reach one of its initial value is called as a off-life of reaction. So time required for the reactant concentration to reach one of its initial value is called as a off-life reaction. So first order reaction for off-life, what is the formula? K equal to 2.303 by T log A naught by A. When T equal to off-life means T equal to T of, then A equal to A naught by 2. So K equal to 2.303 by T of log A naught by, what is the value? A naught by 2. So T of equal to 2f comes in this side, T of equal to 2.303 divided by K, A naught by 2 value is a log 2. So T of equal to 2.303 by K into log 2 value 0.3010. So we get the value T of equal to 0.693 by K. No concentration terms involved, so off-life is independent on initial concentration of a reactants. So next question, what is an elementary reaction? Give the difference between order and molecularity of reactions. இது வந்து 2 mark 3 markல ரிப்பீட்டடாக நமக்கு கேட்குறது. ஸோ அதே போல் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபஸ்ட் ஆர்டர் ரியாக்ஷன் டெரிவேஷன்ஸும் நமக்கு ரிப்பீட்டடாக நமக்கு கேட்குற கொஸ்டின்ஸு. ஸோ வாட் இஸ் எலமெண்ட்ரி ரியாக்ஷன்? Each and every single step in reaction mechanism is called as a elementary reaction. Mechanism means to know the initial and finals, what they occur. Initial to final. So each and every single step in reaction mechanism is called as a elementary reaction. Then difference between order of reaction and molecularity of reaction. Order of reaction, this is the sum of the power of concentration terms involved in the experimentally determined rate law. Then molecular of reaction, it is a total number of reactant species that are involved in a elementary steps. Then order of reaction, it can be 0 or fraction or integer. Whereas molecular of reaction, it always whole number, cannot be 0 or fraction. Then order of reaction, it assigned for overall reaction, whereas molecularity is assigned for each elementary step of a mechanism. This is a difference between order of reaction and a molecularity of a reaction. Then sixth question, explain the rate determining step with an example. So consider a reaction, hydrogen peroxide 2H2O2 uses H2O plus O2, the iodine is a catalyst. So the reaction takes place in two steps. Step 1, H2O2 plus I, it can be because some reaction occurs very slow and some reaction occurs very fast. Slow means, for example, rusting of iron. For some reactions occur fast means salt analysis. You already done in 11th standard practical salt analysis to identify the basic radical and acid radical. It can be நமக்கு ரொம்ப எப்படி கூட ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக நமக்கு வந்து ஆசிட் ரடிக்கல் நம்ம ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணலாம். ஸோ இட் கேன் பி அக்கர் இன் ஏ ஃபாஸ்ட். ஸோ ஸ்லோ ஸ்டெப் மீன் H2O2 plus I, slow H2O liquid plus OI aqueous. Then fast H2O2 plus OI gives us H2O plus I minus O2. So the overall reactions H2O2 gives us H2O plus O2. This is a occur in a two-way. So step 1, the slow state, there is a rate determining state. In this step H2O2 and I are involved, hence it is a bimolecular reaction. So because slow step is only for the rate determining step. Okay, then seventh question, describe the graphical representation of first order reaction. What is a graphical first order reaction? K equal to 1 by T ln A naught by A. So K equal to ln A naught minus ln A. So ln A equal to minus KT plus ln A0. So what is the, we can நம்ம என்ன எழுதலாம், y equal to minus mx plus c. So this is a graph of first order reaction, ln A versus T. So the slope equal to minus k, the intercept is equal to ln A naught. So plot of ln A versus T gives a straight line with a negative slope. Slope equal to minus k and intercept equal to ln A. Okay, this is a slope of graphical representation of first order reaction. The next question, write the rate law for the following reaction. A reaction that is 3 by 2 order is X and 0 order in Y. Then B, a reaction that is 0 order in NO and first order in Br2. So what is the answer? Rate equal to A, reaction that is 3 by 2 order X and 0 order in Y. Rate equal to K. What is the X? 3 by 2. What is Y? 0. So rate equal to K X 3 by 2 Y naught. Rate equal to K X 3 by 2. Then what is B? Because Y is a 0, so rate equal to K X 3 by 2. What is B? The 0 second order NO, the first order is Br2. So rate equal to K, active mass of NO2 and active mass of Br2. Because Br2 is a first order, so Br2 1, NO2 is a second order, so it's a 2. Okay. Explain the effect of catalyst on reaction rate with an example. What is catalyst? Catalyst only maintain the speed of the reaction, does not alter does not involved in the chemical reaction. So catalyst is a substance which alters the rate of reaction without itself undergoing any permanent chemical change. It may be precipitate in reaction but regenerate at the end of the reaction. A catalyst increases the rate of reaction by lowering the activation energy. Let us consider example, 2KClO3 gives us 2KCl plus 3O2. Here M1O2 act as a catalyst. Okay. So the plotted graph. So potential energy barrier versus reactants. So here with EA without and then EA with. So without reaction and with reaction. Then 10th one. Explain briefly the collision theory of bimolecular reaction or derive K equal to PZ. Explain briefly the collision theory of bimolecular reactions or derive K equal to PZE minus EA by RT. இது வந்து 5 மார்க்ஸில் இல்லை நமக்கு 3 மார்க்ஸில் நமக்கு கேட்கலாம், இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின். ஸோ Consider bimolecular reaction. Bimolecular means 2. Consider bimolecular reaction between A2 and B2. Proceed the collision between them, which is proportional to number of collision per second. So rate directly proportional to the collision rate. So collision rate directly proportional concentration of A2 and concentration of B2. So collision rate is equal to Z. Z is the collision frequency, the concentration of A2 and concentration of B2. So collision rate equal to Z, concentration of A2 and concentration of B2. Collision rate in gas phase reaction is calculated from kinetic theory of gases, and its value is 10 power 9 collision per second at 298 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure. All these collisions are not effective, and in order for reaction to take place, the colliding molecule must possess activation energy. So fraction of effective collision is F is given by F equal to E minus EA by RT. In addition to activation energy, orientation factor, the symbol is rho, is also necessary for reaction to take place, that is rate equal to orientation factor, that is P or rho, into F. F is a effective collision into collision rate. So rate equal to P into F into collision rate. So rate equal to P. What is the F value? E minus EA by RT. What is the collision rate value? Z, concentration of A2 and concentration of B2. This is equation number 1. As per the rate law, K equal to, that is as per the rate law, K, concentration of A2, concentration of B2. This is equation number 2. Now comparing the equation 1 and 2, we get K equal to P. What is the Z value? P Z E minus EA by RT. This is a collision theory for bimolecular reaction, or derive K equal to PZ E minus EA by RT. Okay. Then question number 11. The rate of formation of a dimer in a second order reaction is 7.5 into 10 power minus 3 mole liter second minus 1. At 0.05 mole liter monomer concentration, calculate the rate constant. Rate equal to K monomer 2. So monomer concentration, the concentration of monomer 2. So rate equal to, what is the rate value? So see, second order means the monomer power of 2, this is second order. So 7.5 into 10 power minus 3 equal to K into, what is the K value? 0.052. Okay, so K equal to 7.5 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 0.05. Power of 2 equal to 7.5 into 10 power minus 3, 5 into 0.05 becomes 5 into 10 power minus 2 power 2 equal to 7.5 into 10 power minus 3, 5 into 10 power minus 2 means 25 into 10 power minus 4. The value becomes 25 into 10 power minus 4. So 7.5 into 10 power minus 3 value 7.5 into 10 power 1, 25 into 10 power minus 4 becomes 25. So the 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 4 cancel 10 power minus 1. So 75 into 25. So 7.5 into 10 power 1 divided by 25 becomes 75 divided by 25 equal to 3 mole liter inverse second inverse. Okay. For reaction, then 12th question, for reaction x plus y plus z gives product. The rate law is given rate K, x 3 by 2, y 1 by 2. What is the overall rate of reaction and what is the order of reaction with respect to Z? Okay, so what is the question? X plus y plus Z. This is a reactant, it gives product. So rate equal to K, x, what is the x? 3 by 2, what is the y? 1 by 2. So order we can write to Z equal to 0. So overall order 3 by 2, what is x? 3 by 2, then y? Y by 2. So the overall order is equal to 2. Overall order is equal to 2. Okay. Then 14th question is very very important. Sometimes ask a 3 marks, sometimes ask us a 3 mark and 2 marks. Okay, write Arrhenius equation, explain the term involved. So Arrhenius equations, the formula is K equal to AE minus EA by RT. What is K? K is a rate constant. What is A? Frequency factor. What is EA activation energy joule mole inverse, T temperature in Kelvin. What is R? R is a gas constant. It's a constant value 8.314 joule kilo inverse mole inverse. Okay. The next one, 15th one, the decomposition of Cl2O7 at 500 Kelvin in the gas phase to chlorine and oxide in the first order reaction. After 1 minute at 500 Kelvin, the pressure of Cl2O7 falls from 0.08 to 0.04 atmosphere. So calculate the rate constant. So the formula is K equal to 2.303 by T log A naught by A. Okay. So this is a first order equation. K equal to 2.303. What is the T value? T value here is a 60. T value is that is a K. T times is 60. After 1 minute means is 60. Log, what is the log value here? A naught 0.08, then A 0.04. So it becomes 2.303 divided by 60. Log 0.08 divided by 0.04, the value is 2. Log 2. Okay, so 2.303 divided by 60 into log 2 value is 0.3010. So 2.303 divided by 60 multiply with 0.3010. So what is the answer? 0.69. 2.303 multiply with 0.3010, value is 0.6932 divided by time 60. So 0.6932 divided by 60 equal to, the answer is 0.01153 second. Okay, this is the answer for calculate the rate constant. The next one, explain pseudo first order reaction with an example. So pseudo first order reaction, a second order reaction can be altered to a first order reaction by taking one of the reactant is large excess. Such reaction is called as a pseudo first order reaction. So what is this? Second order reaction can be altered to a first order reaction by taking one of the reactant in large excess. Such reaction is called as a pseudo first order reaction. Example, you familiar with this example, acid hydrolysis of ester. So CH3, COO, CH3 plus water, H is a H plus catalyst, CH3, COOH plus acetic acid plus methanol. CH3, COOH is acetic acid, CH3, OH is a methanol. Okay, the next one, identify all of the following reaction: rusting of iron, then radioactive disintegration of uranium-238, then 2A plus 3B gives us product rate A. The concentration of A 1 by 2, the concentration of B 2. So the rusting of iron is a, what is the rusting of iron? First order reaction. Then radioactive disintegration of uranium-238 is a first order reaction. Then 2A plus 3B gives us product rate equal to A 1 by 2 B 2. So 1 by 2 plus 2 equal to 1 by 4 divided by 2. So total 5 by 2. Okay. Then next question. What is the next question? A gas phase as energy reaction, gas phase as energy of reaction at 200 kilojoule mole if the frequency factor of the reaction 1.6 into 10 power 13 second. Calculate the rate constant at 600 Kelvin. E, what is the value? 3.8 into 10 power minus 8. What is the EA value? 200 kilojoules mole. Then A 1.6, then T 600 Kelvin. What is R? 8.314 joule kilo mole. What is, you find out the K. So what is the question? Calculate the rate constant. So you find out the K. What is the formula? Log K equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT. So what is the question? Frequency factor. Frequency factor means it's a Arrhenius equation. Okay. So energy of activation frequency factor to calculate the Arrhenius equation. So to calculate the rate constant, log K equal to log A minus EA 2.303 RT. So what is the log K value here? Log K value 1.6 into 10 power 13. So 1.6 into 10 power 13. EA value, what is the EA value here? 200 kilojoules. 200 kilojoules. So divided by what is the 2.303 divided by RT. What is the R here? 8.314. Then what is the T? Temperature is a 600 Kelvin. Okay. So log 1.6 into 10 power 13 minus 2000 divided by, so 2000 divided by, then the 600 cancel the 2 zeros, so the 2000 divided by 2.303 into 8.314 into 16. So log 1.6 into 10 power 13 2000 divided by these three values are multiplied. What is this values? 2.303 into 8.314 6 into 6, we get a value 114.88. So log 1.6 into 10 power 13 2000 divided by 114.88. So log 1.6 into 10 power 13 minus, so 2000 divided by 114.88, the value is 17.409. Okay. So log 1.6, so the multiplication becomes this side, the plus log 1.6 plus 13 minus, what is the value? 2000 divided by 114 value, we get 17.409. So log 1.6 value 0.2041 plus 13 minus 17.409. So 0.2040 plus 13, we get answer 13.2041 minus, what is the value given here? 17.409. So 13.2049 minus 17.409, we get value 4 minus 4.2049. So log k equal to minus 4.2049. So equal to minus 0.2049 plus 1 minus 1, because it's a first order reaction. So here, so we get an answer 5 plus 4 minus 0.2049 plus 1 minus 1. So we get answer 5 plus 0.7, 4 minus 0.20, we get a 0 plus 0.7591. So we get an answer for this 5.795. So we get an antilog for this. We get an answer 6.238 into 10 power minus 5 second.